Hey there, if you're an iPhone user and have a Netflix subscription, you're missing out if you haven't tried Netflix games yet. Yep, you heard right. Netflix has a whole lineup of mobile games, and you can play them right on your iPhone. Here's how to get started in just 2 minutes. First, make sure your iPhone is running iOS 15 or later and that your Netflix app is up to date. Open the Netflix app, just like you're about to binge your favorite series. On the Home tab, scroll down until you see the Mobile Games row. Or, even easier, tap the Games tab at the bottom. Now, spot a game you like. Maybe Grand Theft Auto San Andreas or Bloons TD6. There's a bunch to choose from. Tap Get Game. This will jump you over to the App Store, where you can download the game as a separate app. Once it's downloaded, launch the game from your home screen. When it asks, sign in using your Netflix credentials. That's it. You're in. Here are some quick tips for the best experience. All these games are included in your Netflix subscription. No ads, no in-app purchases, zero sneaky costs. But heads up, games aren't available on kids' profiles. And if you're going for big titles like GTA, double-check your iPhone's storage. Some of these games are chunky. Want to level up your gameplay? Connect an Xbox or PlayStation controller via Bluetooth for that console feel. Or, if you're playing on a smart TV, grab the Netflix Game Controller app and use your iPhone as a controller. Pretty cool, right? Running into issues? If you don't see the Games tab, update your iOS and Netflix app. Still missing? Search for the game directly in the App Store. Look for Netflix Edition. If a game isn't showing, your profile's maturity settings might be too low for that title. And if you don't hear sound, check your iPhone's silent mode switch and make sure Do Not Disturb is off. So there you go. Netflix games on your iPhone, unlocked in minutes.